Hello, I'm Natalia, and welcome back to the Integration series. Today, we're talking about HubSpot. HubSpot is a central platform for managing companies' marketing, sales, and customer services. One of HubSpot's primary features is its Customer Relationship Management Software, or CRM. HubSpot CRM allows companies to maintain a full database of customer activities for tracking and maintaining relationships, leads, and deals. The HubSpot plus Intersect integration allows users to incorporate data from a HubSpot CRM into data apps within Intersect. While there might be more specialized single-purpose tools in existence, one of the main selling factors of HubSpot is the ability to bring all of these separate management branches into a single platform. Intersect recognizes and maintains this uniformity by allowing users to pull data from HubSpot, carry out calculations or analysis within a data app, and then deposit the data right back into HubSpot. This way, you can harness the processing power of Intersect without the burden of manually importing and exporting from an additional platform. Instead, you can create data apps to carry out this data manipulation for you so you get the results you want without leaving the comfort of your HubSpot account. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the HubSpot integration. First, let's navigate to the integrations page where you can see a list of my existing integrations. Currently, I've only integrated my Google Sheets account. To find out more about how I did this, check out the Google Sheets integration video. To browse the list of available integrations, click the Add Integration button and select HubSpot. If you don't see HubSpot in your list of integrations, it could mean that it isn't included in your current Intersect membership tier. You can reach out to the Intersect team at any point to find out how to access the integrations you need. Before I can integrate my HubSpot account, I need to authorize Intersect Labs. To authorize, I'm automatically redirected to the HubSpot sign-in page where I can sign into my HubSpot account. Next, I select Intersect Labs as the account, and after reviewing the terms of the connection, I can connect the app. Success! And sure enough, my HubSpot account has been added to my integrations list. Now I can use one of the multiple HubSpot import or export blocks to incorporate CRM data into my apps. As I've mentioned in other videos, you can also add new integrations directly from the block within the Edit view. For example, if I add a HubSpot block and realize that the account I wish to pull data from hasn't been authorized yet, I can set up the integration without navigating all the way back to the integrations page. Once you've established your integration, you can use Intersect to read from or update your datasets within HubSpot. Check out the next video to learn more about what you can do with the HubSpot integration.